Imagine starting a new journey into the world of machine learning. It may seem vast and complex at first, but with the right guidance, you can learn step by step and make it manageable. Let's explore this field together and unlock its potential. Machine learning might feel overwhelming, like looking at a massive library filled with books and not knowing where to start. But here's the good news. I'm here to guide you through this journey, breaking it down into small, manageable steps so you don't just learn. What's the plan? How do we approach this vast subject and make it our own? Stick around, because this roadmap is not just about learning machine learning. It's about building a strong foundation, one block at a time. By the end of this video, you'll know exactly where to begin and what steps to take. And don't forget to subscribe now so you don't miss any valuable insights on this path to mastering machine learning. Learning machine learning can transform the way you think about data and technology. It's like learning a new language. This roadmap will show you how to start, grow, and master machine learning in a way that is both practical and engaging. We start with the basics and progress step by step. Step 1. Getting comfortable with data handling. The first stage focuses on data, the core of machine learning. If data is the raw material, tools like Numpy and Pandas are what help you mold it into something useful. Numpy. This is where you learn to manipulate numbers and arrays efficiently. Think of it as the fundamental tool for any numerical operation. Pandas. It helps you organize and clean your data. Imagine a library where every book is perfectly sorted and labeled. That's what Pandas does for your datasets. Matplotlib and Seaborn. These tools let you visualize data. Charts and graphs help uncover hidden patterns and tell stories that raw numbers can't. We'll combine all these skills in an exploratory data analysis EDA project, where you'll learn to analyze and draw insights from real-world datasets. This is where you'll see how data comes to life. Step 2. Exploring supervised learning. After mastering data handling, we move to supervised learning. Here, the model learns by example, using labeled data to understand patterns and make predictions. Scikit-Learn, your go-to library for implementing algorithms. It simplifies complex tasks and makes experimentation easier. We'll cover powerful models like support vector machines, SVMs, decision trees, and random forests, which are essential tools for classification and regression tasks. Simpler models. Learn k-nearest neighbors, KNN, and naive Bayes for their simplicity and effectiveness. Regression techniques. Understand logistic regression and linear regression, which are the foundation for many machine learning applications. This stage ends with 2 hands-on projects, a supervised classification project and a supervised regression project. By applying what you've learned, you'll see your skills take shape and gain confidence in your abilities. Step 3. Unlocking unsupervised learning. Next, we explore unsupervised learning. Unlike supervised learning, this involves letting the model find patterns in data without labeled examples. K-means clustering. This technique groups similar data points together. It's like organizing a bookshelf without knowing the genres. Hierarchical clustering. Learn to create tree-like structures that show relationships between data points. Step 4. Advanced techniques for fine-tuning. As we move toward more advanced topics, we'll refine your understanding with techniques that enhance and optimize your models. Dimensionality reduction. Tools like PCA and SVD help simplify large datasets, making them easier to work with while retaining essential information. Encoding techniques. Learn one-hot encoding, label encoding, and binary encoding to prepare non-numeric data for machine learning algorithms. Evaluation metrics. Understand metrics like accuracy, precision, recall, and F1 score to evaluate your models effectively. These metrics are crucial for measuring how well your models perform in real-world scenarios. Feature scaling methods. Learn techniques like standardization and normalization to ensure your data is on the same scale, which improves model performance. These techniques are not just optional extras. They are essential tools for building models that are reliable and robust. Step 5. Practical application through projects. Finally, we'll apply everything you've learned through projects. You'll tackle low-level, medium-level, and high-level projects that showcase your expertise and prepare you for real-world challenges. Whether it's predicting trends, automating tasks, or analyzing complex datasets, these projects will push your skills to new heights. This series is your step-by-step guide to mastering machine learning. Each day, we'll cover a specific topic, from beginner-friendly concepts to advanced techniques. Whether you're just starting or looking to deepen your understanding, this journey is for you. Are you ready to start your machine learning journey? Subscribe now, and let's take this first step together. See you in the next video.